Sa prestiyosong gabi ng Icons of Change Muntinlupa, pinarangalan ang mga individual na nagbigay ng malaking ambag sa iba't ibang sektor. Si Jade Calabroso magbabalita.
We are deeply honored to be part of this celebration that highlights the power of transformation, service, and hope. To be recognized alongside outstanding men and women from the pillars of government, military, church, business leaders, and academe is both humbling and inspiring.
Sa Icon of Change, Muntinlupa, pinarangalan ang mga natatanging leader mula sa 6 na pillars for change: military, church, business, government, academe at civic groups, mga haliging nagsusulong ng tunay na pagbabago sa kanilang komunidad.
First of all, I'd like to thank the organizers for the Icons of Change for including me in the list of honorees for today. We really need to give honor and recognize the good work that's being done by our clubs.
Tampok din ang mga awardee mula sa iba't ibang sektor na nagsilbing inspirasyon sa kanilang patuloy na serbisyong bayan.
I have traveled from Batanes to Tawi-Tawi and back, trying to bring hope and help to the poorest of the poor.
I'm humbled, kasi para kilalanin ka to be an icon, it's a humbling experience. So, siyempre, nagpapasalamat kung kinikilala yung nagagawa natin. Let us all be agents of change, each and every one of us.
To be able to be named as the icons of influence, that is not just for someone who have made an achievement, but actually it's really more on how were you able to uplift others and transforms other people's lives.
Ayon naman sa isang dating senador at ngayon ay nasa pribadong sektor, mas mabilis makakamit ang maunlad na bayan kung sabay-sabay kikilos ang lahat ng haligi ng lipunan.
People of influence should use that influence to move this country faster. All the pillars of society, from military to business, socio-civic groups, and other pillars of society, must get their act together, make a stronger resolve to meet the challenges head-on and make our country a better place to live in. Government cannot do the job alone. Those in the private sector will have to contribute their efforts.
Samantala, kinilala ang 2 pulis Muntinlupa sa kanilang simple ngunit makabuluhang kabayanihan matapos nilang tulungan ang isang motorista sa gitna ng malakas na ulan. Parangal na iginawad sa kanila sa ilalim ng Gawad Rotary sa Munting Kabayanihan sa pangunguna ng Rotary Club of Alabang Madrigal Business Park.
Masaya po kami kasi kahit alam namin na maliit man yun, pero na-appreciate po yung ginawa namin na pagtulong po kay Sir. Yun po, kaya masaya po kami.
Kaya sobrang saya po namin na may ganito pala yung nagawa namin yung part ng trabaho po namin.
Sa pagtatapos ng gabi, bit-bit ng mga awardee ang panibagong inspirasyon. Isang paalala na ang tunay na pagbabago ay nagsisimula sa bawat hakbang ng paglilingkod.
I'm so grateful that I'm part of the awardees. It's really heartwarming to be one of the awardees. And congratulations to everyone. To God be the glory.
Isang gabi ng pagkilala, inspirasyon at panibagong panata para sa isang komunidad na sama-samang kumikilos para sa pagbabago. Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kumahal, ito si Jade Calabroso, SMNA News.